Hello, I'm Cyril, and this is the fifth WebTech experiment. In this, we are supposed to use JavaScript, and we are given 6 questions. The first question is to write a function that accepts a string as a parameter and finds the longest word within the string. So, this is the first one. I'll write a string here and check. So the longest word in this string is everyone, so it has selected everyone from the string. Now the code is, I've created a function fsplit, and inside the function I've created a variable sp. The auto values that will be taken by t1 will be stored in sp, and there's a function str sp.split. Whenever there is a space like here, it will split the two words. Now I created a variable longest and given it a value of 0, and a variable word and given it a value null. Now I have run a for loop from 0 to the length of the string, and in an if condition, if the length of the longest is less than the length of any of one string, the new value of the longest will be updated by the longest string, and like that we will get the output and the longest word will be shown to us. Now the second question is a BMI calculator. We have to show the skeleton of the BMI calculator, and people having BMI less than 18 should be marked underweight, from 18 to 25 as normal, and 25 to 30 overweight, and more than 30 as obese. So here I have made the BMI calculator, and to do so I have created a function calculator, and inside I have created two variables w and h. It will take the value whatever there is in t2 and t3, and the formula for BMI is weight upon height square. So now I have created if condition. Inside the if condition, if the BMI is less than 18, it will show underweight. If it is between 18 and 25, it will show as normal. Else if it is between 26 to 30, it will show overweight. Else it will show as obese. Moving on to the third question. Flower garden. The following HTML is to create a web page that will allow the user to design a rectangular flower bed. When you click the plant garden button, the page should generate rectangular grid of flower plant image in the division with the ID of garden. So the third one, we have to give the row and column, and when we do so, it will create a flower bed with the number of rows and columns specified to us. So here the rows is as 4 and the column 5, so 4 rows and 5 columns, and random images of the flowers. So inside for this, the code is the function grow. Here the I and j will take the row and columns, and here I have two images of two different flowers, and I have put two for loops. Inside the for loop, I have made a random function. This will specify the different the flower which should appear, how the flower should appear. If it is 0, the first flower will appear. If it is 1, the second flower will appear. Fourth question is weight initiator. It is a weight converter machine. We have to make a converter which will convert the weight from kilograms to pounds. So here I have chose kg and lb, so I'll put 2 kgs and convert it to lbs. The code is, I have created a variable val, and here I've given the value of how to convert the formula, how to convert the kg to pounds. I've given the formula, and to convert it backwards from pounds to kg, I've given the value here, the formula. So this is the way of doing it. The next question is to create a coin flip. We have to write a JavaScript code that will randomly change the source of the image in HTML to head or tails when the flip button is pressed. So here when I click on the flip button, either a head or a tail will show up. Now to do so, I have created a function flip, and inside an array I have taken two images, the heads and tail. Now I've used math random so that the heads and tail appear randomly, and inside the if I've given the condition of number. I've made the number equal to 0, and now accordingly it will get updated. Here, if when the head pops up, we'll get the head as the head value will get incremented, and whenever there's a tail, the tail value will get incremented. Now moving on to the sixth question. The sixth question is the pizza order. Here we have to make a price calculator for pizza order. The small pizza should be rupees 100, the medium 200, the large is 400, and there's a tax of 9%. This is the sixth question. So the final cost of the order will be this much. The code for this is, here I have used form to create input type as text, so that I can take the values of the small pizza, the number of pizzas, and then here the function for it is, I have created a function calculator, and inside I have given three variables, S, M and L. It will take the value for small, medium and large, and then there's a variable tip that will take in the tip that we select, which is given here. And now for the sum, I'll add up all the three small, large and medium and large variables, and for the tax the formula is sum plus sum into tax by 100. And now if the tip is 10%, I will create a variable tip, and then the formula to calculate the tip is variable tip tax plus taxed into 10 by 100, and the same will go for the tip 15 and 20. Well, that's it. Thank you.